Arriving and setting up water. Remember to introduce yourself to the homeowner when you arrive. Make sure you aren't blocking anyone in the driveway or street from leaving or entering. Try to be discreet and professional as possible, and make sure to check your TDS before using the water-fed pole system. After I arrive, I'll take a garden hose and connect it to the closest house spigot. As I turn on the water, the hose will expand, giving me some extra length to work with. I'll take the other end of that hose and connect it to the filter. This green hose carries the wastewater. We can just set that on the ground. And the yellow hose contains pure water. It can take a couple minutes for water to fill up in the filter and create pressure. Now let's check TDS, or total dissolved solids. It's very simple. We'll turn on the reader. And then we'll fill the cap with filtered water. We now notice that the TDS is 1. 1 to 9 is an acceptable TDS. Remember, the higher the TDS, the more minerals there are in the water. That's why we prefer to have a lower TDS rating. If the TDS is above 9, the filtered water would leave mineral spots on the windows, which makes them look dirty. In that case, it would be necessary to replace the filter's membrane and/or resin. In comparison, if we check the wastewater's TDS level, it reads 181. Since the van's supply of pure water is currently low, we'll use the filter to fill up our pure water tanks. It's time to set up our water-fed pole. Let's connect the end of our water-fed pole tube to the van's supply of pure water. After we connect the tubes, we'll turn on the motor. This motor transfers our tank water, which is pure, all the way up to our water-fed pole onto the customer's windows. A light tug on the pole's tube allows the water to flow through the brush.